What's up, everybody? My name is Garrett Rainey. Today on Bass Holes, I'm going to show you guys how to change the blade and the chain on your Husqvarna chainsaw. I got a 345 E-Series. These are my new parts. It's really basically simply the same for the almost any kind of chainsaw. Got two bolts right here. I already took off one. Sometimes it will come with a tool that fits the bolts, but I have to just pop that right in. Let's take these off. Now that you guys got your bolts off, you can pop this guy right off, but make sure you have this unlocked, the rotator unlocked, or it won't come off. So now that you got these bolts, this bolt right here, you're going to use the end of your thing. You're going to twist it until it unloosens all the way. And so it's so loose, you can take this blade right off. Now that you've got it, it moves down this way because of the railer on this. Your chain should come right off easily. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to pop this blade out right here. It should come just right out. And then pull out your blade. It should be surrounding through here, running on the teeth. Once you guys have taken off your blade, all this grime from previous uses, I want you guys to make sure all that is clean. You can use a blowgun or napkins to clean this all out. Now that you have tried to get as much off and as clean as possible, take out your new parts and put your blade on it, your teeth on your blade. Now pop this on through these two holes and make sure everything aligns up perfectly. To get on the chain, you're going to need to make sure it goes in flat through the curve right here. The edge right there. Afterward, you're going to make sure you pinch in all the teeth within the rivets. And it aligns evenly up through the whole entire time. Now that you've gotten everything aligned up, tighten this the opposite way from when you untightened it. And don't do it all the way tight. Make sure as you keep tightening it, make sure you get the teeth back in, and you just want it tight enough so you can get the slack out. Now that you've gotten it hand tight and snugged, you're going to put this piece back on and put the bolts back on.
Nuts. Just hand these hand tight.
Now that you got it hand tight, make sure you tighten the blade up the rest of the way. Not too tight where the blade can't spin, but just enough. That looks like about tight. Tighten up the rest of your nuts. There you go, everybody. Make sure you test it and make sure you put in chain oil so it runs smoothly.
Have you had it running?
Now that you have had put gas in it and plenty of bar and chain oil,
Watch your feet.
test your blade out.
You haven't had it running before.
Brandy new.
Not new. It's just, why isn't it starting?
There we go, everybody. And that's how you change the blade and your new chain. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and always share my videos. See you back with another video back on Bass Holes.